Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. I feel like the sky may be a little bit dark here. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and add another layer of color. I am using a mixture of cerulean, magnesium, and phthalo blue here. What I think I'm gonna do is turn my bird upside down here because I'm gonna start over here and just try to go around my bird a bit here. I feel like that's working. A nice transparent blue. Alright, I think I like that just a bit more. Come over here a little bit. There we go. I like that much better. So while that dries, before I paint in my leaves, I'm going to go ahead and come over here and just get a little bit more detail on my bird here. Okay. So I'm going to come in with this. I'm going to come into my dark here with a very small kind of flat brush here so that I can draw in some of these lines. I'm still in view here. Some of these lines will get drawn in right here over my colored pencil. I'm not really trying to be that precise, just loosely sketching some of these in here. I think what I'm going to do here to darken that just a little bit more. But yeah, I'm liking that. Okay. Getting some more in here, just some indications. Alright. My brush is not very wet. I'm just kind of coming in and adding some very light indications there. A little bit more moisture. I actually do kind of want some of this white in here. But yeah, just gonna speed this up and so you can see the process a little bit here. go ahead and do some leaves. So I'm going to need a green. One green that I really, really, really like is sap green. But I also love to mix the phthalo blue with the Hansa yellow. In this Daniel Smith set, it just makes the most beautiful green. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. It's my phthalo. I'm gonna make quite a bit of it because I already know I'm going to be using a lot of leaves. This phthalo is just such a beautiful transparent color. Alright. And then the Hansa yellow. Could mix it with any one of those yellows there, but I'm going to mix it with straight up very like Azo, Hansa. I forget, but it's one of those. So I'm just going to grab a little bit of that and make a couple of different shades. You see I'm making a very yellowy shade there, and here I'm making more of a dark green all the way into a little bit of that bluish green there. Alright, so I think I will start with that. I think I'm going to switch brushes though. A filbert here. I'll come in here and start with a little bit of the lighter green. And I kind of know that I want this leaf to kind of come behind him a little bit and just kind of fade out. So I'm just going to be kind of sketching in some of this. So this is completely dried, and I'm going to finish off my bird here. Grab this blue. This is a cerulean blue. It's kind of more of an opaque, so it's harder to see through. Oh, I think I'm almost done. I'm going to add just a bit of this yellow. I think that is going to do it. Maybe I'll come in and add a little bit of highlights, but I will go ahead and put in a shot of the finished project. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial or walkthrough of how to paint a parrot, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.